Yo, what's up guys, Ronda here. If you have a trouble installing Kivy, you probably have Python 3.10. Okay, so for some reason Kivy is making issues with this version 3.10. So what you need to do is downloading Python 3.9.7. Just press on the Windows installer and just type python dash dash version to be sure that it's indeed 3.9.7. so it's indeed 3.9.7, and all we need to do is pip install kivy. As you can see, it did actually work. Finally, I literally spent like 2 days. Don't know the solution, but yeah, finally I fixed it. It's showing me weird stuff because I already installed it, so yeah, it will work for you. I hope you enjoyed, hope you benefit, and goodbye.